Hey, what's up everyone? Nico here of Yugatech, and today we'd like to share with you something different and interesting. Well, I'm talking about smartwatches, and how they've become more useful and practical these days. You see, fitness bands and smartwatches have become more popular and well accepted by many people because of the health and fitness benefits. You can track how much calories you burn for the day, the number of steps, your heart rate, sleep hours, and quality of rest, and even blood oxygen saturation. The last one being especially important due to the side effects of COVID in the past couple of years. Others look for activity monitors when you want to exercise or play some sports. There's even a feature to remind you to sit up and walk around after sitting down for some time or just being idle for a while. A few smartwatches in the market monitor more than the usual stuff. Meet the BP Doctor, the smartwatch that can take your blood pressure on the go. Like, literally, anywhere you go, since you're practically wearing it. To test, you just press a button, hold your hand over your heart, and the cuff will automatically inflate and deflate on its own. In order for this watch to be able to measure your blood pressure, it incorporated an elastic band in the interior side of the strap. That band inflates during the measurement process, replicating the same technique used in traditional blood pressure monitors. For a lot of middle-aged and senior folks, being able to monitor blood pressure is quite common. A regular visit to the doctor can solve that. Or, you can buy one of those digital BP monitoring devices that you strap in your arms. The BP Doctor aims to replicate that, but this time, you're basically carrying it on your wrist at all times. On top of that, the BP Doctor also monitors and displays a slew of other features. You get to check your heart rate and HRV, or heart rate variability, where the amount of time between heartbeat fluctuates. Also, if you think that you have sleep apnea, the BP Doctor can cross-check that with your SpO2 or blood oxygen levels while you are sleeping. A noticeable drop in SpO2 during regular sleep can be evidence of sleep apnea. Of course, sleep monitoring is also a nice standard feature. The smartwatch tells you how much sleep you got last night and also tells you the quality of sleep. And there's more. It also comes with a step counter, calorie counter, reminder, alarm, and a weather widget. BP Doctor comes with an app that syncs all your activity and body condition data in-app automatically, graphing them into charts, which helps you have a better understanding of overall body status and to develop a treatment plan or improve lifestyle based on the current trend. We're sure a lot of you are already using fitness trackers or smartwatches. Most of them will have many of the features we mentioned in this video, but we're pretty sure not a lot will have the blood pressure monitor as a feature. If you want to learn more about this smartwatch, we will leave a link to their website down in the description section. Anyway, what do you guys think of the BP Doctor Pro? Do you have any questions about it? Do let us know in the comments section down below. So, that's it for now, and don't forget to smack that like button if you like this video, and consider subscribing to our channel for more videos like this. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok, or visit our website at www.yugatech.com for more tech news and reviews. Once again, this is Nico, and I will see you in the next video.